Lesson 74. Demonstratives. In a nutshell, a demonstrative is a word that means this or that. When you say this, that, these, those, all those words are what we refer to as demonstratives. And the word demonstrative, as you can probably guess, is related to our English word demonstrate. It comes from a Latin verb, which is monstro, and if you put de on the front, it becomes demonstro, which means to point out something. And so that's why our English word demonstrate means to point out or show. Interestingly, this word is also related to the word monster. The M-O-N-S-T and R in there, that is the same lettering you find in the word monster, because they're related etymologically. But that's another story. For right now, what I want to tell you is that a demonstrative is a word like this or that. And so we have two kinds of demonstratives. We can have a demonstrative adjective or a demonstrative pronoun. In other words, the word this or the word that, they can function in two ways. Let's look at the first group of examples here, where it says this tree is huge. This group of examples is a group of demonstrative adjectives. In each of these, the demonstrative is paired up with a noun. It's functioning in such a way as to modify or describe a noun. So in the first example, the word this is a demonstrative and the word tree is a noun. And so this is describing the word tree. It's this tree. So this tree, that restaurant, these cookies. In each case, we have the demonstrative paired up with a noun, and it's describing the noun. So when a demonstrative functions like that, we call it a demonstrative adjective. But sometimes a demonstrative can just have its own substance. It can just be standing in for a noun. Take a look at the second group of examples. This is my car. The word this is not paired up with a noun. It's not attached to a noun or describing a noun. It's just saying this. So it's got substance to it. When a demonstrative functions like that, we call it a demonstrative pronoun. Remember, the word pronoun literally means in place of a noun. So this is my car. I didn't see that. These are too big. In each example sentence, the demonstrative has substance and it's standing in for something. It's not paired up with a noun and it's not describing a noun. It's just sitting there by itself representing something. So in examples like that, we call the demonstrative a demonstrative pronoun. Keep all that in mind because in the next lesson, we're going to start examining demonstratives and how they function in Russian.